Well, the blizzard is underway for southeastern parts of Colorado, and things are going to be getting worse as we go through tonight. I'm AccuWeather.com meteorologist Bernie Reno. Here's our upper level low. You had trouble finding it yesterday. It didn't have much moisture to work with, but as the system moves eastward, you start lowering pressures in New Mexico. Then you have to bring the wind out of the southeast. Gulf of Mexico moisture starts getting in, gets wrapped behind the storm, and then you have a big storm going on right now. You can see all the precipitation associated with it across Texas and Colorado right now. Steady rains, Kansas City along I-70 toward Topeka, Wichita. You can see how the steadier rain has now lifted north of I-40. I-40 running from Oklahoma City toward Amarillo. And well, I'll tell you what, the real tough forecast out of this storm is Amarillo. The dry tongue now has come in toward Lubbock. It's going to try to come into Amarillo. I suspect that the dry tongue works right to around I-40, which is right where Amarillo is. South of I-40, there may not be any precipitation left over from the storm, or let's say significant. I-40 on north, we could have a blizzard, and I think we will have a blizzard in Amarillo. As I mentioned, right now the heaviest snow falling southeastern Colorado. From Pueblo toward Lamar, La Junta, down toward Raton Pass along I-25, along the Colorado and New Mexico border. We'll zoom on in, and you can see the dark blues now falling across most of southeastern Colorado. Trinidad, which is south of Pueblo along I-25, they've had a quarter mile visibility for about 3 or 4 hours. They're easily snowing 1 to 2 inches per hour there. La Junta is the location. It's southeastern Colorado where it really is a blizzard right now. Quarter mile visibility. Wind gusts up over 40 miles per hour. Temperatures in the upper 20s and heavy snow. So this is where the heaviest snow is falling right now. We're also getting some moderate snow northeastern New Mexico with some strong gusty winds. There's a ski resort, Angel Fire is a ski resort, and I just checked the webcam there. It's snowing pretty hard there as well. We head southward into New Mexico to Tucumcari towards Santa Rosa. That's an area getting some pretty heavy snow, but you can see the dark blue shading here in northeastern New Mexico around Clayton. We've seen visibilities about a half mile, and Clayton's only about 5,000 feet. And by the way, we do have parts of I-25 closed from Las Vegas to Wagon Mound, I believe, is the location where I-25 is closed. Yeah, Wagon Mound, and that is south of Raton Pass. A little farther off to the east, you can see the steadiest rain now has ended in Lubbock. Just some, looks like thunderstorms starting to fire up, and these thunderstorms, by the way, beginning to fire up along the eastern edge of the upper low, now lifting northeastward. As I mentioned, dry tongue has already come into Lubbock. It'll stop short of Amarillo, and then as our upper low moves right over Lubbock and then toward Oklahoma City, it's along the northern side of this that the heavy snow is going to be falling here. So this is what we're looking at here, over a foot of snow, and this may actually have to be extended a little bit farther north and east in the southeastern Colorado. But anywhere in this dark blue, that includes liberal Kansas, panhandles of Oklahoma, western Panhandle, and also northeastern Colorado, 12 to 18 inches of snow. Also, the wind is going to be picking up out of the northeast, 30 to 50 miles per hour tonight. So this is where you're going to have the blizzard, especially late tonight, tomorrow morning, southwestern Kansas toward Liberal and Dodge City. Dodge City, we're looking at about 6 to 12 inches. Amarillo, I'd say about 3 to 4 inches, but later on tonight, tomorrow, with that wind coming out of the north, that snow will be blown around, and we do have blizzard warnings out there as well. Once you get down toward a Lubbock, coating to an inch, shouldn't be more than that. And by the way, I-25 is really going to be a mess. Northeastern Colorado, southeastern, or I should say northeastern New Mexico, southeastern Colorado, and I think there will be other parts of I-25 that get shut down later on tonight. So, of course, updates throughout the night. Keep it here.